All right, here's a CC29 update to the Essential Sound panel. They have a new denoise and de-reverb slider. So I've gone ahead and recorded a quick bit of audio just here in my garage. This is something that you might find typically if you don't have the best soundproofing. I have some hard walls and hard surfaces, so I do get a little bit of reverb. So let me play through it so you can hear it. Some background noise or some reverb. I'm recording talking in my garage, so you can hear a little bit of reverb there. So now, as we do with the Essential Sound panel, if we select our audio, before you do anything, you'll have to click dialogue to set it as dialogue. And then you have these sliders. So open up the repair panel or the repair area, and you see you have reduce noise and reduce reverb. So let me just show you what happens if I do reduce reverb. So let me play. And there are some hard walls, and I don't have, let's turn on reduce reverb. I have soundproofing up right now. So you might be, so you can automatically hear that it improves it by quite a bit. Like all of these sliders, you can increase the amount of editing or processing that happens by dragging the slider to the left or to the right. I felt like it was a little bit too heavy on the reduction, and there are some hard walls, and I don't have sound. That sounds a little bit better. And basically what's happening is Premiere Pro is looking at the waveforms, and it is cutting off the audio after like the peak of the waveform. And that's how it gets rid of that reverb. In my garage, and there are, now let me turn that one off and we can see or listen to hear what the reduce noise slider does. And there are some hard walls, and I don't have soundproofing up right now. So you might be, so it kind of does a similar thing. This is going to help more if you have like rumbling or high-pitched whirring or like a fan or air conditioner, or if you live somewhere where there's a lot of traffic outdoors and there's that rumble in the background, or if you're shooting outdoors. That's what this reduced noise slider is going to get rid of. Now, if we add both of them, it starts to sound a little bit funky. Noise or some reverb. I'm recording. So you do have to be careful about adding too much processing to them, but these are two improvements in the Essential Sound panel. Reducing reverb has been something that low budget videographers and high budget videographers have had trouble with for a long time. And now it's really cool that we have this slider right here in the program. Cool. Let me know if you have any other questions.